So guys, this is your boy Church, your boy FX. So I'm making a very important video for you guys today. This is just all about BTC. So that you guys will not cry again, because I've heard a lot of people crying lately that they lost their money and this and that. So guys, shortly we are going to see from 2014, yeah, where is 214? For 2014, this is when BT started its bullish move. So um if you check closely, the bearish market takes about 6 months to 2.5 years to form, while the bullish market takes 6 months to 6.5 years. So from 214 until the end of 2021 November 21st is that was when BTC had its all-time high. That's 6.5 years and counting. So now the bearish market starts immediately after that place. Do you understand? Starts immediately after that place. So now one thing you should understand is um these market makers are so smart that they don't want you to make profits, but you want them to be dull for you to make profits. So it's kind of like, you know something that is very confusing to a lot of you. So I heard you guys, especially the crypto guys, you buy the news and sell the rumor, or sell the rumor and buy the news. That is not a strategy. You can see my lines here and everything. These are technical analysis I've made. These are my key levels. So now the other parameters I'm using to confirm this whole thing, but I won't really tell you guys here, because if I have to tell you, I have to explain it on the chat, and which is going to take our time. So since you know the difference between a bull market and a bear market now, I know a lot of you guys, your mentors don't tell you about these deep secrets, or the deep secrets of the market. You can ask my students. I know most of you don't know them, but for those of them who are going to watch this video, they know what I'm trying to say. I don't hide anything from them. There's nothing at all they need that I don't give them. There's no knowledge I have that they don't have. So secondly, yeah, um I'm going to make you guys see when BTC went down, when it had this bearish flag pattern. I posted it on my page, IG and Twitter. The handle name is Checheboy FX, CHECHEBOIFX. So it's the same for all my social medias, on LinkedIn, everywhere. So guys, this was the bearish flag that formed on BTC, and there was a very big move. This flag formed on the D1, that is the daily time frame, of which, once a market like this, or a pattern or structure forms on a very high time frame, it will take a very big move. So that is why a lot of you lost on Solana, Dogecoin, Luna, all of these things, because BTC leads all of these coins, or most of them. So now you can cross check and confirm this thing. The dates don't lie, the numbers don't lie, the times don't lie. I'm not posting this because I've seen it now. I've posted it even since last year, September, October. I started posting about the fall of this market. A couple of myself and my students, we sold. Some of them took out their money from the Binance wallet, and they are not crying today. So I'm just making this to help a lot of you guys there. So don't forget to use the description below. You see my Telegram channel and my Telegram link there. Join our community. You are going to get more updates and everything about my class, everything I give about forex, the updates. And if you want to improve yourself as an, like, in the advanced class and all of that. So now let's go straight. So we have discovered what happened before BTC fell down. So now, after a long run in the bearish market, the market does not continue to move like that. There has to be a reversal after the end of every trend. You can see after the end of this bullish trend in 2021, the market started reversing down. So that's what is going to happen down here. So you guys should not be scared. Don't be scared. The market is going to work in your favor, and we are all going to smile back home. So there are two analyses I want to make on this list. There's already the kind of heads and shoulder here. This is the head. This is the left shoulder. The head in the middle. And sorry guys, the head in the middle, and then the left shoulder. Do you understand? So adding this analysis to the bearish flag pattern, you know that yes, this market was really going to fall down, and a lot of you guys didn't really know about this thing. So now, besides this, when technical analysis and fundamental work together, it's kind of very interesting because that is when you get all your validations and confirmations. So on the other hand, if you understand what this bearish flag pattern means, or no, you guys don't know, some of my students, like I said, they know all about these things. They should have made you guys understand, but it's not too late. You can always join me in my community to get all of this knowledge. So let's say we join. If we are going to walk through the analysis of trend line first, as a trader, you need to do so many analysis before you confirm whatever you are saying or whatever the market is trying to put you through. So if you have connected the first part of this trend, you guys understand the first part of this trend, that is connecting the two peaks. The peaks are the highs above, do you understand? The troughs are the lows, do you understand? The lower supports, get. So now this point is a support zone and it's a low, it's a lower low, do you understand? So let's try to see if there's any pattern connecting these two places. Wow, there is nothing of such around this place, do you understand, guys? So we don't have anything about a pennant pattern here. But let's not clean the trend line. The first one we drew, sorry. So now one thing you should understand is there's something we call an ABCD pattern in forex. It's kind of a pattern strategy we use. So now let's check out the ABCD first. Let's see, with this market really, let's go to the lower time frame. Will this market really go back to retest, the support zone? You get um this support zone here, you guys see, that is this place. Let me draw it for you guys. So after the break of the flag pattern, there was this rectangular expansion that after it formed, it broke out. You can see, guys, after it formed, it broke out. Let me reset the price so that you guys will see clearly. Sorry. So now you can see it broke out. See, it retested it and came back down. So these patterns you are seeing here, this is what you call the tree drive pattern. This one you are seeing in purple, and then the other long ones are just my zones I'm trying to create because I have to do so much analysis on this chart to be sure of what I'm saying. So now, if there's a possibility that BTC is going to retest this previous expansion or the support of the expansion, sorry guys, that means let's use our Fibonacci retracement tool. They say we should draw from the previous high to the reversal of the low, or vice versa, you get. So now our fib is 61.8. I know a lot of you are so used to 61.8 and 50. 50 is not good for a very good market analysis because it's kind of giving you that the market is on equilibrium. So now we are going to use 61 and 78. So now what's happening here is we are going to find the confluence. So where can we see the confluence? The only confluence we can see here is on 78.6, and that is a perfect limit. That's a perfect entry limit. For those of you who want to put your sell limit, that would be the perfect place. So let's put the short position and see 78. So we are going to draw it here. So now if we are going to put our limit at 78, that means our stop loss is going to be at 31,500, and then our take profits is going to be around 18,000 to 20,000. So this is a good risk to reward ratio, about 1:3. That is a good risk to reward ratio. So now we have confirmed this. The only thing that is going to make this market hold for us to sell and make more profits is if this whole market breaks out through this zone and goes to retest the support, you understand? So as a good trader that you are, even though we know this is going to happen, possibly, we don't have to buy yet. We have to wait for it to go to the point where we want it to be. So with all that being said, let's go straight to the question all of you have been asking: when is BTC going to rise? When is BTC going to rise? So let's go back to our daily time frame. So on our daily time frame now, we are going to pull out our Fibonacci again. There's something they call the ABCD pattern here. So the ABCD pattern, what it does is kind of looks like a triangle, sorry, two triangles joined together, or some people call it the how do you call it, the diamond pattern. So now what you need to understand is A and B has to be the same with C and D. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. So let's put it about at 15,500. So now this pattern, what it does is, if it's facing downwards, that means it has to make the market reverse to go back bullish. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So now let's use our fib level to test it. And one of the confirmations of this pattern is A to C has to be on fib level, on fib level fib level 61. So you can see it's perfectly on 61. So that means there's a possibility that this pattern is going to hold. So for this pattern to hold now, what are we looking out for? We are looking out for the market to break above this expansion before some of us start buying. But some of you who are going to set your limit, remember what I said, 15,000. But one thing you should understand is you are not supposed to set your limit exactly on 15,000. Do you know why? Because the market makers are so smart that they are going to take you guys out. A lot of you set your limits. When your stop loss is taken out, you say this guy is not good, this guy made me lose my money. But here is the secret. Now if you are supposed to put your stop loss anywhere, remember there's something we call stop hunt in forex. Let's say about 1 million people watching this video now. Do you understand? About 1 million people watching this video now, and probably 800,000 people are going to hit to this analysis, while let's say about 500,000 people are going to, like, these are just rough estimates, about 500,000 people are going to put their limits around this point I said exactly. But one thing you should know is that the market makers will want to reduce the amount of buyers so that they will make profits from you too, especially the newcomers or the amateurs or novice who don't really know about all of these deep secrets. So the stop point is going to be set. So if they're going to stop and put their stop hunt, we are going to reduce our limit downwards to around 12,000, because they are going to do it so bad that it's going to take a lot of stop loss out. So if we reduce our limit to about 12,000, put our buy limit there, that means our stop loss should be around 9,300, because 9,300 is still within the zone. Do you understand? The last zone where BTC started rising from. So we are hoping that it will not pass this point. Do you understand? So our stop loss has to be around 9,000. So if our stop loss is going to be on 9,000, what are you seeking for around this point now? For those of you who won't set your limit and wait for a buy before you enter the market. Now the things you need to look out for in this market right now is bullish reversal candles, bullish reversal patterns and structures, the heads and shoulder, the inverse, and all of those. You can join my community. Don't forget, I'm going to post all of that there. So guys, with all of that being said, I'm not going to take your time more. Like I said, I've understood between bearish market and the bullish market. Those are separate topics I teach my students for them to understand, because that is how them Warren Buffett and all of these big guys in the stock market, that is how they know when to stake their money on a bear market. You see, position traders with their money for 2 years and they are making the profit, and you're imagining how did these guys do all of these things. This is not magic, this is just knowledge. The thing is just for you to meet the right person, do you understand, that's going to give you all this knowledge. Like I said earlier, some of these mentors hide a lot of things from you guys, why they keep making money, but you begin to imagine, did this guy not teach me forex, did this guy not teach me crypto, why am I not making money, why am I not making it like him? So I'm not trying to point fingers. Anyways, so we are done with the whole thing. You can see everything about BTC. I've explained it. So now the thing you need to do is join my Telegram community. You can text me directly there if you want to be part of my class. There's a room for those who understand the basic knowledge but want to improve with the trading strategies. So I have top trading strategies these are the combination of everything I've used here to analyze this chart so far. So guys, don't forget to follow me, don't forget to join my community, and lastly, once the market goes around that place, everybody is going to join my community. I'm very very certain if this thing works, we are all going to smile back home by the end of the time it reaches that point. So one last thing I'm going to do for you guys is for all of you who have lost your money, for everyone who who wants to recover, or anyone who wants to make more profits from BTC, um there are going to be live trading sections I'm going to take. These are not videos that will be posted because it's not for everybody. It's for those who will be loyal enough. If you are part of my community, you are going to get this video. You're going to be contacted, told everything at every point in time. I'm going to give you guys all the updates. So one of the things you need to understand is um all these things we do them, but just because we don't want to make you feel like everything we are giving out is not valuable to you, because once some knowledges are given to you guys for free, you don't value it. So I'm going to take that trading section on live. It's going to be live. We are going to work on the charts for about 2 hours plus. That is if less, maybe, because I know I'm going to entertain questions from you guys. So I'm going to show you how to use limit orders to get your money back from the next bull run in BTC. So now I won't show you here because the videos are, sorry, the time is going already, and like I said, it's going to be a paid kind of seminar or paid class. So from there, I'm going to entertain all your questions. I'm going to be live. If you want me to be live for 24 hours, I'm going to be live for 24 hours answering all your questions. I don't care how much of you will be on that day. So this class is not going to be very expensive. So it's going to be $10, not much. I wanted to make it 50, but I and my team, we sat down and thought about it. Man, a lot of guys out there don't really have the money. So instead of you to pay $50, we are giving you a very good discount. You pay $10 and fund your accounts with $40 so that you can take the market. I think at this point in time, I've really tried for you guys. So don't miss out all of these goodies, don't miss out all of these packages. You can go back to cross check your chart on BTC. I'm going to give you guys even some deep knowledge about the Binance app, why your candles are so small, the strategies they use there. Come on guys, I don't want you guys to miss this. $10 is something very small, but I know it means a lot to some of you guys, but at the end, you need to invest in yourself to get all of this knowledge. You can see how open I am. I explained everything to you guys from the beginning to the end. So this is what happens between me and my students. They are always very happy and want me around them. So don't forget, follow me on my pages, IG and Twitter. Although I'm on Snapchat, but I'm not really functioning there. I'm not really active there. LinkedIn, you see me, you see my profile, you see my picture, you see everything. This is not scam. This is not anything that has to do with illegal stuff. You understand? This is just us trying to put out what we know for you guys out there to understand everything. So I'm going to take off my charts, everything now, so that I can draw everything I had on my chart, all my analysis for the chart to be very very clean. So guys, with all of that being said, thank you for watching this video. One more thing I want you guys to do for me, please, at the end of the video, if you find it very interesting, please like, share, copy the link, subscribe to this channel. I know I've not really been active for a year now because I've been trying to trade and all of that, but I promise you guys, once I see this massive turnout on the channel and all of that, the subscription, the likes, the comments and everything, I'm going to make solid videos for you guys. I mean solid videos for you guys that will help you and take you a long time through the trading space, either through forex or crypto or whatever stock, whatever you want to do. You understand? So guys, I'm trying to round up now, but the words are not ending. I'm sorry guys. So Don't forget the link in the description below. Like, share. I'll meet you in my channel. I'm going to send the link in the channel for you guys to share to your friends. I know a lot of you have people who have lost money previously to the market. And one thing I always tell my students is don't believe anything people say. Don't When people say this is buying, don't buy. After a very big bull run, do you understand? There's always a reversal. There's always the BS taking up. It's just like you fighting. You can't fight for 3 years. Even the best footballers, you can see Ronaldo, Messi, they can't play all the 90 minutes. There are some days they rest them because your body cannot work forever. That is the whole analogy behind this crypto space and the forex space. So when they say is buying, you go and buy, all of a sudden you see the bear candles coming. Come on. These are all the things I'm going to teach you guys in the class for those of you who would be interested and those of you who want to be part of my community. Um, I hope to see you guys there soon. Because if I want to start explaining a lot of things for you guys, this video will take 30 more minutes and I don't want it to happen. So this is your boy Cheche Boy FX again. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to do everything I've said. Follow me, guys. Confirm everything from my page, and let's make this forex market. It has made a lot of you guys cry and felt pain. So this time around, this is an opportunity for you to make out of the forex market just like they say, the days the market finished your money, it's time for you to finish the market also with the sniper and all of those things. So see you guys soon. Thank you once again. Don't forget the package I talked about earlier, $10, and then you are good to go. I'm going to teach you guys how to recover strategically, step by step, from this market. Because definitely I'm saying it here, it's not because other people have said, I'm saying it from all my analysis and everything I've done. This market is supposed to go back to around 70,000. We test that point because it's a key level. We test that point and go above even 200,000. So join the seminar or the class and I'll teach you everything. I'm going to explain, I'm going to break BTC down for you, all of you in that are going to pay for that class. We are going to be added to a different group, and then everything, my signal about this coin, everything, I'm going to trade it myself. You are going to see my live account. I'm going to trade it myself, and everything I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to do it myself. So don't miss it for any reason. Just $10 for the sake of just for the sake of everything. So this is the end of the video. Don't forget to share again. Oh my god, I'm just saying too much since I'm hyperactive today, but just forgive me, and see you guys soon. Have a wonderful week, and I hope to see a massive turnout on the likes and everything. Good day, guys.